All right, that's it. It's done. So we're gonna run these cords along with the hydraulic clutch cord down the front number plate, and we're gonna wire it up later. This is so I won't scratch the paint when I start bending this bracket to fit. A lot of this is gonna be covered with the number plate and the head bash cushion. I'll let you see what it looks like from behind. Looks pretty freaking even to just do a quick job, very quick job. But this, I was going to get the Baja Design. I think this is a 30 watt. I'm pretty sure that this can power a 30 watt because Baja Designs are around 30, and it says for the RX there's no need to do a stator rewind kit or anything like that. So anyway, the reason why I wanted to do a custom is because I'm just in love with these latching switches. With the halo, I'm not sure if this is going to be a red halo or a blue halo, but I was rushing, so I just ordered whatever I can get because I was hoping that I was going to have this finished before Trucks Gone Wild and Mud Bash, but here I am months later and I'm just now getting to it. So there's no need to go out and spend a crazy amount of money. I think these brackets right here, the 7/8 bracket, was either $12 or $14. These lights come in two, and it comes with these. You just have to custom bend them if you want it to look half decent. And I did that to keep it out of the way so it's not real tall. And I did it to where I can push the brackets in as far as I can within a 1/16 of an inch away from the cushion, so I can install more accessories like my phone and stuff like that if I wanted to. But anyway, yeah, no need to spend all that money. All right, so check this out. I got all the plastics on and the wires tidied up. I'm gonna work my way from the battery up and explain what I've done and what I've used. I used a 14 gauge wire, power wire and ground wire, running all the way to the distribution block or the power accessory block that I've now created for this bike. In line in between both is a inline fuse. Right now there's a 5 amp fuse because that's what the light calls for. It's a 30 watt, 5 amp, 12 volt light. That holds up to a 15 amp fuse to support the 14 gauge wire. The wires used to connect the light to the latching switch in the block is a 18 gauge wire, but that block is powered by a toggle switch, main power, on and off. Once you cut this on, it powers that on, powers the latching switch. This latching switch is amazing, very satisfying. Check that out, look how bright that is. point that down so you can see this beautiful bike. This is my favorite bike right here. Check that out. So I might do some more videos with that one too, but very bright light. 6 LEDs, 30 watt. You can get a 2-pack for $40. Brackets were bent by eye. I was going to change them, but they look pretty good. So there it is. You can cut the light off if you're just cruising around, and whenever you're done with the bike and you're not going to ride it for a while, you don't want to kill that battery. Boom. Main power off. Honda shop said that battery, the OEM battery, costs around $300 to $400. Pretty sure you can probably get an aftermarket battery now for that thing, or soon to come. But that's it. If you like it, like, comment, subscribe. Peace. I'm out.